السلام عليكم.
Welcome to part 14 of our Arabic learning series, where we are exploring weather and seasons vocabulary. The first word is
طقس.
which means weather. Next is
الربيع.
meaning spring. The next word is
الصيف.
which means summer. After that comes
الخريف.
meaning autumn. Next is
الشتاء.
which means winter. The next word is
مشمس.
meaning sunny. After that comes
ممطر.
meaning rainy. Next is
غائم.
which means cloudy. The next word is
حر.
meaning hot. After that comes
بارد.
meaning cold. Next is
مطر.
which means rain. The next word is
رياح.
meaning wind. After that comes
عاصفة.
meaning storm. Next is which
ضباب.
means fog. And the last word is
قوس قزح.
which means rainbow. Practice these weather and season words by describing the current weather and season in Arabic. Look outside and try to use these words in sentences. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing these weather and season words and you'll be able to talk about the weather confidently in Arabic.